When we enter the inner sanctum of our own inside, we can truly find that grace. So I'd like you to take a moment, breathe in, breathe out. Let any tension leave your body, leave your shoulders, because we're going to enter a time of meditation together. And we will enter the inner silence inside each of us. Breathe in and out again. Let tension leave your body. That idea of grace, is that love loop that we've talked about. That the idea of grace enfolds and surrounds us at all times. That it is God wrapping around us and in us and through us. Grace. So we walk in grace. We step into the flow and it surrounds us. Every step that we take can be in grace with each other. We give grace to each other as we walk in the world, as we walk together. We can see each other as elements of grace. We can see each other as elements of peace. We can see each other as elements of good God. God manifesting through us. That's a love loop. That's a loop that says, I step into the flow. Can you see that as a bubble around you, the grace of God? Our affirmation said that the grace of God surrounds and enfolds me. And so it does. And can you see your neighbor, the person beside you, also as covered in that grace? And that grace of God surrounds and enfolds them too. And so we walk together in grace. We step together in grace. We know that we enter the flow. Take a moment in the inner sanctum of your higher self. Know that the flow continues. And breathe in and breathe out. And as you open your eyes, know that grace surrounds you at all times. And we are elements of grace. And so it is.